Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the typewriter effect on CapCut PC. So go to the text here, place it above your video or wherever, and I'm just going to type in typewriter. You can obviously type anything that you would like to type. And for the text, I'm just going to select this one. It's more like vintagey, but you can again use any font that you would like to. To add in that typewriter effect, go to animation, and you're going to just find the type animation, not this one, but you're just going to try to find this one, maybe the type 1. Make sure you also use like a typewriter sound effect if you would like to. Here in audio and like maybe sound effects and like typing, typewriter. Okay, that one, and like adjust it with your text. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.